Okay, guys, I'm just cleaning my house because, as you can see, it is a disaster zone. Done. Anyway, I've been cleaning and it's storming today, and I heard a random ice cream truck. There are no more ice cream trucks around. Where did it come from? Where did it come from? And also, I've been hearing really weird noises, like people walking around in my apartment and doors slamming, and my neighbors aren't home. So, yeah, that's a little creepy. But yeah, I'll let you guys know that Miss Smokey's gonna be a mama. Look how big she's got, and she's gonna be a mama in a month. And we have a crazy chihuahua acting a, hey, leave her alone. Hey, break it up, break it up. But anyway, this is my dirty apartment that I'm cleaning like madness today. And look, it's a pretty black kitty cat. It's a pretty black kitty cat. But anyway, I don't know where the other cat is. That's 3 of the animals. I don't know where the other cat is. And this is my bedroom. See what I'm doing today? It is horrible. It is horrible. But I'm going to let you guys go, and I will let y'all see my apartment when it's all clean. So